Welcome back guys with a brand new video, and in this video we will control the 7 segment LED display using the Arduino Uno, and so we will also attach a digital switch here to reverse the counting that's going on for the. Let's first start this simulation and then you will understand this in a better way. You can see here, once you start the simulations, the Arduino Uno is becomes on, and this 7 segment LED display shows the numbering till 9. As you know, in that is now to reverse this numbering, you can see here I have attached a digital button here. So once we press this button, you can see at that 7 segment LED display that it, because of the delay in the code, it delays after few milliseconds this numbering to the previous one. If I slow down the sorry, not slow down, if I decrease the delay, then it will instantly decrease this numbering. So I will also attach the code in the description of this video, and if you require any help regarding to the electrical and electronic circuit, then feel free to contact me on WhatsApp, and you can also visit my Upwork and Fiverr profiles. Now if we will move towards the connection diagram, you can see here in the circuit that the first sides, we have to only make empty this port and common port, you can say. This is the C port, this is the DP port that is directly connected with the transmission port, and the C1 is with the pin number 2, and the D1 with the pin number 4, and the E1 with the pin number 5. And if you will move towards the above sides, you will see this one is connected A with the pin number RX receiver, and this one is connected with the G, and this one is connected with the F. 5 number is connected with the F, and 6 number is connected with the G, and this is VCC or common, you can say, that's providing the voltages. So this is the basically circuitry, and you also know that how to add a digital button using this is for controlling the buttons, and here we are providing the VCC or the voltage supply to the buttons, and the ground is attached with the resistance is here. This is a 330 ohm resistance. So it's basically the circuit diagrams or connection diagrams of the mm, uh, 7 LED display using the Arduino Uno. So if you understand some things, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon, and please share the video with your friends. Thank you.